Hi guys, it's Simon at Cars Capital Markets. Today we're going to do the US oil chart and show you the breakdown from the weekly, or monthly, weekly and daily. So let's start right ahead with the monthly. At the moment I've got only a couple of levels in here. We've got the 33 level here, obviously a double bottom there, bit of resistance here, there. 60, purely because we've got an extreme high there, and we had a very strong rally off that point there. Then we got these two trend lines here. This to show me the triangle before we broke out of everything, and this one here is not confirmed. I'm waiting for maybe a pullback up to this point here. So in this chart at the moment, although it may look be bearish, we have got a double bottom pattern. On the weekly, which we'll show in a minute, there is a head and shoulder pattern here as well. So I'm looking for a pullback to at least the $60 in the coming month or so. Okay. On the weekly chart, the levels are a little bit more easy to see now. So I've got a $40 level, the bottom one there. We've got a $50 level, multiple tests of this level. 60, clearly it's the monthly. I then got one at 70, because if it does break 60 and retest 60, where's the next best place to go? To be honest with you, I do see 70 could easily be reached there, because every time we've broken the $60 mark, we've gone to 70. It doesn't normally stay around there too long. Even here, it broke above it, tested the weekly 50, then rallied back up again. So to me personally, once we get into the 60 zone and test it, most likely be going to 70. And then we've got this little zone at 80, but this is much further into the future, which all if buts and maybes at the moment. So right now at the moment, we are in the zone between 50 and 60. We're decelerating on the weekly, and I suggest we could come back for a pullback here. This is the head and shoulder pattern here. So there's the left shoulder, here's the right shoulder there. This 50 level is going to be the neckline, and the weekly just comes down, gives us a nice little test, and then we could rally off from there, no problem at all. That's what I'm kind of anticipating on this chart. The thing that just makes me think slightly differently is this daily chart. A little bit more messy this is, but there's some key levels there. So we have the 43 level here, cut a double bottoms there as well. We've got this trend line which I've traded off a few times here. Although it has sliced through it a few times as well, it does coincide with this zone here between 50 and 51. Now, we may not get down to 50 because we're going to be breaking the daily 50, we're going to break this trend line and we're going to break through the zone as well to get to 50. And if you notice in the past on this zone, normally it's test this side or the other side of it, or it's just done a little like high and low, a bullish engulfing, a bearish engulfing, one after each other, and a bit of chop. So I do see this, it's a possibility of getting down to 50. So 51 is where I'll be looking to, if I was taking it short. At the moment I am taking this chart short down to the 51 area, just because I see it being, I want to get out before the zone, before the mess. And if I was to take it long, I'd like a nice retest of the daily 50, this zone and the trend line. And like I said, obviously you've got the weekly 50 as well there. So that's what I'm looking for oil at the moment. And obviously I'm looking to take, if we do go long, my target will be around about the 60 area as the next level. After that, we have to see what happens and go on from there. I hope that helps out, and I'll speak to you soon.